Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Che, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful lacy pattern with bold simple shapes inside, and it is titled as Adobe. This is a beautiful pattern and worked with different colors and different layers. It gives a beautiful finish and it can be mixed with any other lacy blocks, any lacy lightweight blocks. So let's go into the video without much delay friends. For this particular motif I have used my hobby store Aran yarn, white and dark pink, and used my 5mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video friends immediately. With color A, chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. And into the ring you can start with chain 5 or make a double crochet, chain 2, one double crochet, chain 2, double crochet 6 more times. Completed the round. I have 8 sets of DC separated by 8 sets of 2 chains. Slip stitch to the third chain or the top or on top of the double crochet that we did. Sorry, we need to chain 2 and then slip stitch. 3, 6, 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Next round is a fairly simple round. You can either begin with chain 3 or make a double crochet. Let me begin with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Place 3 double crochets in chain 2 space. So 1 double crochet on the double crochet. So stitch repeat is 3 double crochets in chain 3, 1 double crochet on double crochet all around. I have completed round 2. Now slip stitch to the third chain of the 3 chains that we did in the beginning and fasten this color off. I shall be back with the next color. Join color B onto any DC that is done on that is worked on the DC of the first round. So let me pick up this. You can make a standing DC here and one more double crochet here. Chain 7, skip 3 DCs and place 2 double crochets on the fourth one. So every fourth DC, that is the DC which is worked on the first DC of the first round, you're going to work 2 double crochets separated by chain 7 spaces. I have finished this round here. Now I have chain 7 last leg, slip stitch on top of the DC that you have worked or the chain 3 whichever you worked, and now you can begin with chain 3 which is counted as double crochet, or you can make a double crochet. Let me chain 3, 1, 2, 3. It is counted as 1 double crochet, and then place 2 double crochets on the next DC. Chain 7, one double crochet on the first DC here, and 2 double crochet in the next DC. So this is the stitch repeat for this round. So on the first DC of 2 DCs, 1 DC, then 2 DCs on the next DC, chain 7. So repeat this stitch pattern all around. So completed round 4. slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chains. Now chain 3, consider as first double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. Now we have to make a picot. It's a 3 chain picot. Okay, slip stitch to the first chain. Sometimes you may slip stitch to this portion also. It doesn't make, this is better placed than slip stitching into the third chain. Now 2 double crochets in the next DC. Now we have 3 DC sets. So in the first 2 we are making 1 DC each. Then we make a picot and then place 2 double crochets in the third DC. Chain 5. One AC in chain 7 spaces, enclosing both the chain 7s of row 3 and 4. Okay, and now make a picot. So I prefer to take it from the stitch itself and place 1 more single crochet. Chain 5, 1 DC in each of the next 2 double crochets, then a picot, and 2 double crochets on the third double crochet. So this is the stitch pattern. So continue all around. So you will be working single crochet, picot, single crochet, enclosing both the chain 7 spaces, and each of the florets is separated by chain 5. Okay, I shall repeat. Chain 5 now, single crochet enclosing both the chain 7 loops. Now chain 3 and complete the picot and 1 single crochet here. And to go over to the next set, chain 5, double crochet, 1 double in each of the next 2, picot, two doubles in the third DC. So work the stitch pattern all around. Come to the end of the round here. So make the last 5 chain 5, slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chains and fasten off this color. I shall be back with the next color A for the next subsequent 2 rounds. Okay, slip stitch to the in between the picot between any 4 DCs, join the yarn here and place a single crochet in the same picot. Okay, now chain 10, Jump to the next picot between the 4 DCs. Here you place 4 double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 3 picot, 3 double crochets. All in the same picot, the round below. So this is how it is. So chain 10 now. Single crochet inside the picot that is placed between the 4 double crochets. This is a little dicey to pick up. Yes. So continue the stitch pattern. We'll have 4 sets of single crochets on picots and 4 sets of 3DC picot 3DC on the picots. So I've completed this round 6. Here I've slip stitched the first single crochet. Now chain 1 and place 12 single crochets in chain 10 space. Now 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs. So every chain 10 space will have 12 single crochets. Now inside this picot, the space between the picot, in the picot, make 1 single crochet, 1 picot and a single crochet, all in the same picot. 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs. And 12 single crochets in chain 10. We are not working any stitch on this particular single crochet. Straight away we'll jump over to the next chain 10 space. Come to the end of this round here. We have placed 12 single crochets in each of the chain 10 spaces, and in the corner we have placed 1 single crochet on each of the DCs before the picot, and inside the picot we have done SC, picot, SC, again 1 single in each of the next 3 doubles. So we are not placing any single crochet on the standalone single crochet we did in the picot of the previous round. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet that we did in the beginning and fasten off this color. I shall be back with the next color. Now join color B to any of the stitches here, anywhere. Place a single crochet in the same stitch. And 1 single crochet in each of the stitches till you reach the corner. In the corner you are going to place 1 single crochet, 1 picot, 1 single crochet. This is the stitch repeat. This is the last round. So I shall work up to the corner. This pattern is again a convertible crochet. Excuse me. Oh God. In the picot, we're going to make one single crochet, picot, and a single crochet. So this is the stitch repeat. Place one single crochet in each of the stitches till you reach the corner picot, and inside the picot it is one single picot, one single. Again continue with single crochets. So complete the round. I shall complete and get back. Completed the last round here, and I cut the yarn. I will be doing the invisible join. So you're not going to work on this. We insert the hook needle from front to back, and then bring it to the front, and this is the last stitch we worked. Insert the needle from the back loop of this and the loop behind it. This can be adjusted. Yeah. And now you can hide the yarn. So we complete this beautiful pattern, a lacy pattern, a very lacy pattern, and it is titled Adobe. It's an open work, but with bold simple shapes, and you can mix it with any other lightweight lace blocks. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you happen to be the first time viewer for this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and like and share the videos too. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Okay, thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.